How to edit your profile on Twitch. Let's get started. Open the Twitch app on your mobile device and log into your account with your registered email and password. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on Profile. Now, tap on the Settings icon at the top left corner of the screen. After tapping on Settings, you'll see the option Account. Tap on it and then select Edit Profile. Here, you can manage all your Twitch profile information. You can change your Twitch username, update your display name, add or edit your bio, and manage your social media links connected to your Twitch profile. If you want to change your Twitch profile picture or banner, you can do that from this section as well. Simply tap on any option you want to modify, whether it's your Twitch bio, username, or social links, and make your changes. Once you're done editing, your Twitch profile updates will be saved automatically. And that's how you edit your profile on the Twitch mobile app. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to App Canvas. Thanks for watching.